Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio and welcome to Tonto Creek. Tonto Creek and Tonto Creek Campground are located about 50 miles north and east of Payson on Highway 260. The lower Tonto Creek Campground sits on Tonto Creek near Coles Ranch. The Arizona Game and Fish Department does an excellent job of stocking Tonto Creek with rainbow trout from April through the fall. The Tonto Creek Fish Hatchery sits about 5 miles north of the Tonto Creek Campground and is a fun family attraction. The lower Tonto Creek Campground has campsites with picnic tables and has restrooms available. The Horton Creek Trailhead is also located just north of the lower Tonto Creek Campground. Coles Ranch Lodge and Restaurant is located just across the Highway 260 from the Tonto Creek Campground. The nearby Tonto Creek Fish Hatchery does an excellent job providing plenty of fishing fun for people of all ages. I'm Dennis Riccio and welcome to Tonto Creek.